Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Pooh Bear and Piglet from Winnie the Pooh. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw Pooh Bear. I start with his eyes. Then I draw his nose and two little eyebrows, just like this. Now, I draw his smiling mouth. Look how happy he is. And the shape of his head. Next, I draw his two round ears on top, so cute. Then, I draw his red blazer and his hands like this. Left next to Pooh, I draw Piglet, his best friend. I start with Piglet's two eyes. Then I draw his tiny nose, his smiling mouth, and his two little eyebrows. Now, I draw his two big ears, so adorable, right? And finally, I draw his hands. Piglet looks so happy standing next to Pooh. I'm going to use this black marker to make everything clearer and nicer. It's coloring time. First, I use red to color Pooh's mouth and his blazer. It looks so bright and pretty. Then, I color Pooh's skin with yellow, just like the real Pooh Bear. For Piglet, I color his nose and his big ears with a lovely pink. Then, I use cream color to paint Piglet's skin as so sweet. Yay! We're almost done. Look at our drawing. It's so cute, isn't it? Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Goodbye!